G'day guys, thanks for checking out our Mazda 3 SP25 that's just arrived. This one here is in great condition. Bonnet protector, projector headlights, front parking sensors, alloy wheels, plenty tread on there, colour-coded mirrors and window tint. As you can see, this one is in excellent condition with the black leather trim throughout and does have the carpet mats as well. Roof racks. This one here has got extremely low kilometres. Does have full service books to match. Tow bar, rear parking sensors. As you can see, the tow bar is just tucked up in here. You got your boot mat as well. Coming down to the side, it's in great condition. Beautiful metallic blue. Coming through inside, you got the black leather trim, your front parking sensors, your Tiptronic auto, satellite navigation as well, which comes up just up so. 37,000 kilometers and full history. This one here has much more. The sensors front and rear, as we said. You got the paddle shift, all your wipers are through there, and your lights, side curtain airbags, and really just a beautiful car. And very rare with these lower Ks. We look forward to speaking to you soon.